Students, hi. This video is in continuation of your previous one. So in this video we are going to cover our second subject, which is mathematics today. Okay, so kindly bring out your mathematics book, which is there on screen. This is your child centric mathematics perfection toolkit 1 of 2 joyful D. So you all have to bring out your maths book, as well as you must have pencil and eraser in your hands. I'm giving you some time. Hurry up, bring out your books. Okay, students, I hope so that you all have bring your books. Now let's open your book. In our previous session, we had covered our concept of before, right? So today you have to come on page number 1313 from your book. Okay. So today we do some word problems related to what comes after. As I told you that parents, you have to use these terms in your daily life, that what comes before this, what you have before your lunch, what you have before your dinner. Okay, so you all have to use these terms. What comes after your breakfast, what you have afterwards your breakfast, आप अपने breakfast के बाद क्या करोगे? So students may understand कि after means बाद में, forward. Okay, so please use these terms in your daily routine life. You can also ask them, what comes after 11th May? 11th May के बाद क्या date होगी? What is the date? So they will say you that mama, it's 12, right? So it's general thing that you can, if you want कि students जो हैं concept को understand करें, तो आपको उसको अपने daily routine life में you have to uh, यूज दैट टर्म्स अगेन एंड अगेन. ओके, ताकि वो उस उन टर्म्स के साथ फ्रेंडली हो जाए. Fine. So today we have to cover this worksheet. This is your page number 1313. If you want to cross check it, so you all have to come down and see the page number which is written below. This is your 1313 page number. Okay, students. So today we do a worksheet related to after. Okay, I told you what is the meaning of after. After means forward. Okay, before starting this worksheet, who would like to play a game with your ma'am? कौन प्ले करना चाहता है गेम? You all like to play a game? Okay, fine. So let's play a game. Come on, come over here. Is this screen is visible to you all? I hope so that is visible to you all. So you can also play this game with your peer group. Okay, आप अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ, घर में फैमिली मेंबर्स के साथ आप ये गेम प्ले कर सकते हो. ओके, तो उसके लिए व्हाट यू वांट, इधर यू हैव द टॉयज, तो आप अपने टॉयज कलेक्ट कर सकते हो. बॉयज मस्ट हैव अ कलेक्शन ऑफ कार्स, है ना? आपके पास बहुत सारी कार्स होती है ना, सो यू हैव टू पिक एनी 3 or 4 or 5 कार्स आप पिक करो, एंड देन यू कैन डू दिस game, play this game with your peer groups, right? So how we can play this game? Now the question is this. Okay, so let me tell you how you can play this game. So students, first of all, let me give you an example. तो आपके पास क्या होता है, यू हैव सॉफ्ट टॉयज ना. आपने सॉफ्ट टॉयज कलेक्ट करने हैं, ठीक है, उनको एक रो में लगा देना है. कैसे? जस्ट लाइक दैट, दिस. ये सॉफ्ट टॉयज है ना आपके, तो आपने उनको एक रो में लगा देना है. देन यू कैन नेम देम. आप उनको नेम भी दे सकते हो, लाइक राम, श्याम, नेड, टेड. ठीक है, अदरवाइज यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज इंग्लिश लेटर्स. जैसे दिस इज द फर्स्ट टॉय ना, दिस इज योर फर्स्ट टेडी, तो आप इसको ए नेम दे सकते हो. व्हाट इज हिज नेम? ए, है ना? इसको आप बी नेम दे सकते हो, एंड दिस वन सी, दिस वन डी. So parents, it's a request to you all that you can ask now that what comes before B. So my student will take that teddy, that mama, A will come before B. Then you can ask them what comes after B. B के बाद कौन सा teddy है वो? What comes after B? Mama, C, this is my teddy, this is C. C come after B. Okay, so parents, you can play this game at your home. Otherwise you can also um, play it like this. Okay, you can name them family members can also play this game with the kids. How you can change your name. Okay, आप family members जितने भी हैं, you can change your name like Ram, Millie, Ted, Rim, Ned, Nor. Okay, and students, you can also play this game with your friends as well. ठीक है, तो आप नेम चेंज कर सकते हो. ठीक है, अदरवाइज जो आपके वैसे ही रियल नेम्स है, आप उनके साथ भी ये प्ले कर सकते हो. फाइन. तो जस्ट लाइक दिस, दीज आर द फ्रेंड्स. ठीक है, so they are giving first their introduction, so you can also give your introduction. See, this is a boy. He's saying, I am Ram. She is Millie, so she said, I am Millie. He is Ted. He is Rim. And he is Ned. And she's a beautiful girl. Her name is Nor. Okay, so these all are friends. These are playing the game. Okay, they are standing in a row. All are standing in a row, and then they ask. Suppose Nor asked, who came after Ted? So Ted कहता, okay, I will tell you. Rim came after me. So then it's now Ned turn. Ned asked with his friends that who came before Millie? Millie से पहले कौन है? So Millie said, Ram came before me. Okay, so then it's turn of Rim. So Rim said, who came after Millie? Millie के बाद कौन है? She is Millie. Who came after Millie? Millie के बाद he is Ted. So Ted came after Millie. Now whose turns now? Ted turns. So Ted said, who came after Ned? Where is Ned? Here is Ned. So Nor came after Ned. Okay. So in this way, students, you can play this game with your family members, either with your friends, with your peer groups as well. Okay, this is a very good game. आपने क्या करना है, जितने भी family members है, you have to stand in a row. Okay, and one by one, either you start with the backward side, either you start with the starting point. Okay, and one by one, all are asking a question related to after, related to between. And one more thing, between. See, between means like Ram and Ted. Wait, I want to take my pencil. Okay, he is Ram. Okay, and and he is Ted. Okay, he is Ram and he is Ted. Who is in between Ram and Ted? Ram और Ted के बीच में, between में कौन है? It's Millie. Millie is in between Ram and Ted. Okay, now again, now you came to understand the meaning of between. Between means beach में, right? Okay, same with these cars. Boys, you must have cars with you, so you all have to gather your cars. ठीक है, आपने अपनी cars को इकट्ठा करना है, and then you have to name them as per numbers. Numbers दोगे आप, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, जितने भी आपके पास cars है, आपको यहाँ पे रखनी है, and then you have to give them numbers. Now, your mama and your any family members, they can ask questions with you, like which car came after 2? 2 के बाद कौन सी कार है? which car came after 2? This is your car 2, है ना? ये car 2 है. Which car came after 2? After means you have to go forward. Where you have to go? You have to go forward. So what is the answer? You have to say, Mama, number 3 car came after 2. Okay, if your mama asks which car came in between 1 and 3, 1 and 3 के between means बीच में कौन सी कार है? So you have to say, Mama, number 2 car. Okay, in this way you can play this game at your home and create lot of fun, and then share the feedback with me that you will enjoy this game at your home or not. Okay, so this is about your game. Now अब हमने क्या कर लिया है? We did all our fun. Now we will come towards our worksheet. Okay, अब आपने fun कर लिया है. You will come to understand the meaning of before, after, between, है ना? And आपका recap भी हो गया through this game. Now what we will do, we did this worksheet. Okay, थोड़ा work भी तो करना है ना, तो चलो let's start. So students, what is written over here? What comes after? तो आज आपने क्या करना है? After वर्ड से ही मीनिंग आपको पता होना चाहिए दैट यू हैव टू गो फॉरवर्ड. आपको फॉरवर्ड जाना है, यू डोंट हैव टू गो बैकवर्ड. ओके, बट बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस वर्कशीट, what you have to do, you have to fill the topmost column. Here you have to write today's date, circle the day, and then you have to go outside, check the weather today, and circle the clip art. Fine, this step you have to do, then we will just start. As you see in this worksheet, there are lots of cars, है ना. तो आप अपनी cars के साथ भी ये game play कर सकते हो. You just have to give the numbers to your car and then you have to tell that which car came after 11, which car came after 16. 16 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? It's 1717. Okay. Now let's start. I hope so that you have done the topmost column. Okay, let's see what is written over here. Write the number which comes after the given number. तो आपने क्या करना है, यहाँ पे ये जो आपको given space है, यहाँ पे आपने वो number write down करने हैं जो आपके इन given numbers के बाद में आते हैं. After means forward. Okay, so Tina said there are the conversation between two friends. What Tina said? Tina said, what comes after 11? That I am having a car which is 11. So what comes after 11? 11 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? So what Tony said, Tony has a quick answer in his mind that dear, it's 1 to 12. So my turn. Now he said, okay, I will ask question with you. So what he said, what comes after 16? Number 16 के बाद कौन सा number आता है? So now Tina going to think that what comes after 16? It's number 1, 7, 17. So both are very smart. They used to complete this worksheet in just a minute, है ना? Because उनकी बहुत ज़्यादा revision है. So you also have to revise your worksheet again and again. Okay. Let's start our today task, students. Okay, now you have to come on top and let's start the worksheet. Okay, the very first one is done for you, students. It's your number 11. So what comes after 11? It's 1, 2, 12. Okay, and I told you that after may always when you are when you going to find the after numbers, so after numbers जो होते हैं वो always greater होते हैं आपके numbers से, right? So it's 1 to 12. 12 is always one time greater than your number 11. Okay, now here it's 2, 1, 21. So what comes after 21? It's 2, 2, 22. What comes after 21? It's 2, 2, 22. Right? Okay, now the number is 1, 6, 16. 1, 6, 16. So what comes after 16? Ma'am, it's 1, 7, 17. Very good. Okay, now come down, students. Now here it's 3, 4, 34. What comes after 34? Ma'am, 3 is same. And what comes after 4? You have to recall the number line. 4 के बाद froggy frog will jump on which number? Ma'am, 5. Yes. So it's 3, 5, 35. Okay. Now here it's 2, 4, 24. 2, 4, 24. So what comes after 24? It's 2, 5, 25. 2, 5, 25 came after 24. Okay. The next is 4, 2, 42. So 4 is same. What comes after 2? Recall your number line. टू के बाद क्या आता है? 1 2 3, it's your number 3. So what you have to write over here? 4 3 43, 4 3 43, right? The next is 3 7 37. It's your number 3 7 37. Okay, who will tell me what comes after 37? Recall your numbers. 3 7 के बाद क्या आता है? It's your number 3. Very good. 8 38. Very nice. Well done. 3 8 38. Very good. Okay, now who will tell me what comes after 1 8 18? Raise your hands. Hurry up. Ma'am, 1 9 19. Very good. Yes, your number 1 9 19 came after 1 8 18. Okay, students. So this is your today work which you have to do at your home. Okay, now we will read some parents and teacher transactional process. Okay, so let's read this also because it will also help you to take this worksheet at your home. Fine. So what comes after Monday? So parents, it's a request to you all, जैसे मैंने आपको पहले बताया था, that you all have to use these terms in your daily routine life, ताकि students को आफ्टर एंड बिफोर के बारे में एक तो डिफरेंस क्लियर हो. दे यूज टू अंडरस्टैंड द मीनिंग कि आफ्टर मतलब क्या होता है और बिफोर मतलब क्या होता है. ओके, एंड जब हम कोई भी कंसेप्ट अपनी रियल लाइफ से इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं ना, और रियल लाइफ में भी वो चीज़ हम यूज करते हैं, तो वो आपके लॉन्ग रन के लिए बेनिफिशियल होता है. तो आई वॉन्ट कि यू कैन आस्क आवर किड्स दैट व्हाट कम्स आफ्टर मंडे. मंडे के बाद कौन सा डे आता है? सो दे यूज टू क्लियर द मीनिंग ऑफ आफ्टर, कि आफ्टर टर्म का मतलब क्या है. फॉरवर्ड, दैट यू हैव टू गो फॉरवर्ड. मंडे के बाद क्या है? इट्स ट्यूजडे. If they don't give you the answer, so you have to tell them. Fine. If you are 4 years old, अगर आप, है ना, you can ask our kids, you can also say them. If you are 6 years old, है ना, जिस भी एज ग्रुप का चाइल्ड है, you can ask them that if you are 6 years old, है ना, अगर अभी आप this year you are 6 years old, so how old you will be the next year? Next year आप कितने साल के होगे? So he will say that mama, I will be 7 years old, and now so you have to say them that what comes after 6? It's 7. You can also ask them what comes after Saturday, what do you have after breakfast. ठीक है, ये सारी चीज़ें आई ऑल्सो इंट्रोड्यूस्ड यू, और मैंने आपको पहले ही बता दिया दैट यू ऑल हैव टू यूज दीज टर्म्स इन योर डेली रूटीन लाइफ. ठीक है, सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट, जिससे कि आप स्टूडेंट्स को एक पर्टिकुलर कंसेप्ट के रिगार्डिंग इंटरेस्ट डेवलप कर सकते हो. ठीक है, विद गेम्स, विद एक्टिविटीज, फाइन, विद जर्नल टॉक एज वेल, ऑब्जर्वेशनल लर्निंग. तो दीज आर द फॉलोइंग टेक्निक्स जिससे आप स्टूडेंट्स को concepts के regarding interest develop करवा सकते हो. That's it about today. We will meet in our next session, students. Till then, you all have to revise your concept, and if you are facing any doubt, so you can ask me. Okay? For that, bye-bye. Have a good day. God bless you all.